So hello guys, it's Coriander and welcome back to a new video. So before starting this video, I have a serious topic to discuss. Day by day, data bits are becoming homeless. Okay, jokes apart. I have to tell you something that we will take 5 videos and in those 5 videos we will cover array. Okay, now first of all, what is an array? An array is a data structure. And what is a data structure? So as I told you that day by day data bits are becoming homeless. We need to provide them a new home. Okay, and that's where data structures come in place. Data structures help us to store our data efficiently so we can use that data efficiently, and it can be more manageable also. And when we talk about data structure, we have many data structures, and one such data structure is an array. Okay, and uh, an array can be either one dimensional or multidimensional, which take me to the topics which we have in the 5 videos. So in the first video we will cover unidimensional array, which we will cover in this video only. In the second video we will talk about multidimensional arrays, and in the third video we will talk about the methods of both the arrays, either it is multidimensional or it is unidimensional. In the fourth video we will talk about some operations both on multidimensional array and unidimensional array. And in the fifth and the last video of arrays, we will discuss some questions. Now note that the second last and last video can be a little bit longer because we have covered the concept of multidimensional array and array in the same video there. So let's start.
So here we are on the computer screen, and let's look something which I have here. Okay, so if we imagine an array, we can imagine it in a physical form like this. Okay, so an array is a data collection of similar data types. What I mean to say is that look at this. Okay, if this is an array, then each block is the memory storage. Okay, we are assuming that this rectangle is an array, and these columns in this are the spaces assigned to different elements which are in the array. Okay, to put it more clearly, array is a data structure which contains data of similar data types. So if I say that this array uh, contains an int data type, it means that int data type is everywhere in here. Okay, if I say at 0 index, it is int data type. At first index, it is int data type. At second index, it is int data type. Okay, so all the elements will be of int data type. Okay, you cannot do this, that you assign a value of int data type here and then assign a value of string data type here. Okay, that would be wrong. So now I think this was clear that yeah, if we have to imagine a physical form of an array, then we can imagine this. Now what else? How can we act on an array? And more importantly, how can we create an array? Because applying methods and operations require the creation of array as a prerequisite. So let's look into this, and let me tell you that for creating an array we have three methods. Okay, three methods. And what are the three methods? Okay, so let me tell you that my favorite sitcom is Friends. So let's make an array of the name Friends. So what is the syntax? First of all, the syntax can be like this, in which we write string friends. And oh, this is a string now. Then what is the difference here? The difference is that we will apply here square braces. Then we say that here we have declared what we have declared, that friends is the name of an array. And which array? String array. So all the elements in this array will be of string data type. Here we have written string, here we have this sign of array, which we call square brackets, and here we have the name of array. Now first we declared, and now we will allocate memory. How will we do so? So friends equals to let's say new string, and here we will write the length. So as I remember, there are 6 friends, so yeah, there are 6 friends. So friends equals to new string 6. So this is the length here. Okay, remember, whenever it is written here, it means length. Okay, so this was one way. The second way involves, let me go. Let me comment this out. Okay, the second way is that we do this all thing in one line, in a single line. So we can do it by doing this. And see, it is not giving an error. Okay, now before telling you the third method, we should have a question, and if we don't have that question, then it is a problem. The question is, where is the data? Where is the homeless data which we have to get a place for? Okay, so let's see the homeless data. Okay, friends dot not friend, we'll say friends 0 equals to, I will say which friends 1 equals to cross friends 2 equals to now if I write the other 3 names also, it would be lengthy, so we will do it in the next one. So if we run this, what will happen? Let us run this. Okay, this is not giving error. So how to check if it has assigned these values to the given places in this array? For this, we use the for each loop, which is also called the enhanced for loop. Now you might say that, oh, he told us that there are 3 kinds of loops: while loop, for loop, and do while loop. Now what is this? Don't worry, it is not very different. It is a way to transverse through the elements of an array or any other data collection. So let's see. Here we have for each. We use this, and we will write the data type here, string and here we will write element. Sorry, we have to write friend. Here we are considering one friend, and here we will write the name of the array. Okay, so, sorry, I had to remove this because this is not an array, this is the data type in there. Okay, so it will be string. Sorry, I made a mistake. And so here we will write system.out.println friend. Okay, we will remove this from here. I think it's clear now. We'll save this and we will run this now. And here you can see that it is here Rachel, Ross, Joey, null, null. Okay, first question. Why it is run? Why it is written null and null here? And let me answer the question. It is written null and null here because we have assigned the value to these three, and the other two values here are not assigned values. Okay, and I should have given here 6. So we do here, yeah, we got 3 now. The other 3 values are not assigned values, so they give null. It means that their value is not identified. Null doesn't mean that it is not there, actually it means so also but the point is that it means that it is not definite. Okay, here anything can be here. Okay, anything within the same data type, the foundations. Now this was it. Now you might be thinking that these two methods were pretty lengthy. Isn't there a short way to do so? And I will say yes, there is. If you want to do so, I will tell you. And here we come with a short method, which will contain this declaration and initialization at the same place. Now what is it, friends? Here we have a here we have an array called friends. Okay. So I will write here Rachel. Let's write the name of other 3, otherwise they would be angry. Handler. Okay, what are the 2 other names that I don't remember? And this is the spelling if I'm not wrong. Actually, it doesn't matter. I just have to explain this to you. So let's run this. And here we have Chandler, Monica, and Phoebe. So, do you know that these are assigned, these values are assigned to the elements of this array serial by. It means that we have written it like this. So, the place of friends 0, which means 0th index of friends is occupied by this Chandler, the first index of friends is occupied by Monica, and the third index of the second, okay, it starts from 0 and goes till one less than the length of the array. So this is it, Chandler, Monica, and Phoebe. This occupies the 0th index, this occupies the first index, and this occupies the second index. Now, as you are my viewers, I know that you don't have any faith in me, so I have to tell you how is it so. System.out.println friends, and here I say that 0th index, and mark my words, Chandler will be printed here. And here we have Chandler. Okay, and this was it. Okay, I know that this is very less for today, but you should prepare for the further videos, and in the next videos we will cover more of this. Okay, so till then, tata, bye bye, see you later.
And I've been counting days to get away